Hi guys, Mario from Frog Hollow Farm. Today I'm going to be working with quince. Now quince is always misunderstood because they don't really, you can't really bite into it. That's too astringent. You actually have to cook these guys, but when you do, you make something really, really beautiful. So please join us. We're going to poach it in a little bit of simple syrup, and we're going to add some cardamom for aromatic. So this is going to be really great for like a side dish with maybe a little bit of ice cream or with maybe some ricotta cheese. So this is a really, really great simple recipe that anyone can do. So what you want to do is you want to grab 3 of these beautiful quince. What they should be is heavy to your hand. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and peel it, then we're going to quarter them and put them in the simple syrup. The first thing you want to do is you get yourself a cup of sugar, and you're going to dissolve that in the simmering water. And as you can see, it's slowly but surely liquefying. There we go. Now the water and sugar is one. And what we're going to do next is we're going to add a little bit of our honey. Ain't misbehaving. Love her honey. It's absolutely delicious. The bees have a hive here. And we're going to add about half a cup. And again, we're going to allow that to dissolve in the simmering water. And you're going to get this really beautiful amber color. Into that, you're going to add slices of lemon. So that's a single lemon slice. And we also have some cardamom. I'm just going to crunch it gently and allowing the cardamom to split, and the seeds and all will come out, and we're going to collect that. Cardamom now is really easy to get. Even Safeway has them, so it's really great. You can also use vanilla here if you don't have cardamom, or cinnamon. I just really love the aromatics. So we're going to allow that to simmer. Meanwhile, actually, get a really nice sharp veggie peeler. If you don't have a veggie peeler like this, that's really nice and sharp, you want to use a paring knife. That'll work as well. And you're going to go around the flesh of the quince, just like that. And what you're going to do is hold the peeler exactly where it is, and you're moving the quince. Any discoloration will disappear when it starts to cook. After you peel one, what you want to do is remove the top and the bottom. You're going to cut them vertically, just like this, and cut them into nice quarters. Cut right through the middle, because the middle is really, really fibrous, and the seeds we really don't want. There you go. And this is going to simmer inside this simple syrup for up to an hour or more. Sometimes quince can take a really long time. Now I got this parchment. I made a little hole in the middle so a little bit of the heat can go through it, and I'm going to go ahead and place that on top. This will keep the quince submerged and also kind of adds as a lid, and voila. We've been cooking this for about an hour, and cooking liquid actually has picked up the color, this sort of light orange pinkish hue. And if I was to keep cooking this into, say, like into a quince paste, it'll get even redder. We're going to go ahead and get some of the slices, and we're going to go ahead and refrigerate it, and we're going to have some with some yogurt and granola. If you wanted to have it warm, it's fine as well, but for this granola dish that we're doing, I would like it to be refrigerated or cool. So get a little bit of Strauss yogurt. We love Strauss yogurt. Next thing we're going to do is going to add little cube pieces of the quince that's been infused with cardamom, lemon slices, honey, and a little bit of organic sugar. We also have a little bit of house-made granola. We're going to go ahead and add that as well. Perfect. And we happen to have first of the season pomegranate kernels. So we're going to add that as well. And there you have it, folks. Cheers.